Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce for yam. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 1 bell pepper. Also, prepare your seasonings: a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and salt to taste. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step ensures a flavorful sauce. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Start by thoroughly washing your tomatoes, then dice them into small, manageable pieces. Next, finely chop your onion and bell pepper. Consistency here helps them cook evenly. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic, as this adds a wonderful aromatic base to our sauce. Proper preparation is key to developing rich flavors. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, introduce the diced tomatoes, minced garlic, curry powder, and thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once your sauce has simmered and thickened to your liking, taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt or a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. This delicious, homemade tomato sauce is now perfect for serving over your favorite boiled or fried yam. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.